Good day, viewers. You're welcome to another edition of the Celebrity News on Idewok TV. My name is Folashade Ojo. Before the news, first the headlines. Dyke in car crash in Malibu. Jonathan Major's lawyers claims evidence proves he's entirely innocent amidst assault allegations. Now the news in details. Dyke in car crash in Malibu. The Poppins and Chitty star is said to have lost control of his vehicle and hit a gate, TMZ reported. The Chitty and Poppins star is said to have lost control of his vehicle